Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft, and today I'm going to show you all something. This is the Noise Fit Evolve Sport. So I had this particular watch for about a year or so, and the thing is today I'm going to unbox this particular watch. And the best part is I got a replacement for this watch, which is actually you can see from here the May 2020 version. This is the most updated version, comes with the 5.3 AMOLED screen and Bluetooth version 5. And this is one of the best watches, guys, you can buy as a free fitness freak. I have lot many watches. I almost own like two, three of them. So two being Fossil. So one of the things what I like about this particular watch is it's very inexpensive, and it comes with this particular charger, guys. It's a nice pogo pin style connecting watch. So we have the manuals and all. Let's see what's there in the box. So here we have the main watch, and the thing with this watch is it's very sturdy and it is nicely built, guys. If you're looking for a watch which you can use for a very long amount of time, then I highly recommend this particular watch. This watch is almost the IP60, I think not 5 ATM rating it have. So got all these nice slim bezels, and this smartwatch is basically recommended for those people who are looking for something like a stylish kind of outlook. So you can just wear this particular watch even on something like a suit, and I do not recommend because analog watches look good. So once you click on this, let me get it started. So if you swipe from bottom, it shows you the notifications, and if you just swipe it maybe from top, it will be just showing you the quick settings. Okay, so we have like around 80% of the battery life. One more thing I want to tell you guys is the battery life of this watch is brilliant. It is almost just next level, guys. I'm almost getting a battery life of about uh, maybe somewhat like 10 days to 15 days. And this is for those people who just want a fitness tracker on their wrist and do not bother about like these are one of the watch faces you have. So as I would say, this is actually for those people who are looking for a basic fitness tracker which also looks like a particular watch, and you can have these particular watch faces, and especially the analog ones looks good, but I would rather keep it simple as a digital watch. And another thing, this looks quite similar to this Galaxy Watch Active. Even the design, even the build is almost like a Galaxy Watch Active, guys. So certain features like this yellow one and all, it's almost the same as the Galaxy Watch Active. So I used to get many compliments saying that you actually purchased a Galaxy Watch Active. Okay, and let's see what are the features. You have the heart rate monitor over here, and this shows you the quick toggles in the number of steps which are taken for the day and stuff like that. And it got a very good heart rate sensor. It was accurate, but it was not that Apple Watch was accurate. And this is good. This is good for like sort of a basic kind of fitness tracker if you want to check it. And if I check on my other watches, it is almost showing around maybe somewhat like like 95, 94. So this was showing around 97, which is almost like accurate, guys. So I mean, this watch is available for around 5,500, even if for a certain sale and all, you might get it for a discounted rate. So I highly suggest getting this particular wristwatch on their official store, that is noise gonoise dot in or something. So just for claiming warranty and all. So let me know what you think about this particular watch, guys. And if you like this kind of videos, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, because there is always something new to watch on Creative Soft channel. Hope you like this particular video, guys. There are a lot of things to be covered. This is just an unboxing I'm doing after almost using this particular watch for 1 year. So this is the second time I'm doing this. This is my second watch. First one broke, and second one noise replaced it for free. So thanks for watching, guys, and let me know what you think about this particular watch. And please share this video with your friends and family who is supposed to buy this particular watch. So see you in my next video.